Let's make tandoori air fried drumsticks.
Born hungry is delicious, it's a blessing, no wish yet. Mair, born hungry is delicious, focus, vision, prison. Mair, born hungry is delicious, look at how I'm just living. Mair, born hungry is delicious.
My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. In this video, we are making delicious drumsticks with the tandoori flavor in air fryer. The cook time will be maximum 20 minutes. The marinade and prep time is approximately about 2 hours. So once you get the drumsticks, these are 2 pounds. If it has the skin on top, just pull it out. Tandoori flavor is very best with the chicken without the skin. Chicken, the first thing we will do, we will have deep cuts on the chicken until we reaches the bone. So we will get all the flavor into the meat. So this is how it should be.
Born hungry, born hungry, born hungry, born hungry, born delicious.
So you can make this recipe as a meal prep too. Any day when you have time, marinate the chicken legs, and then you can just have the marinated chicken legs in the fridge. The marinade I'm gonna show you, it's gonna stay fresh in the fridge at least for 4 days without a problem. For the marinade, the first thing we will do, we will take at least 2 tablespoons of the salt, 4 to 5 tablespoons of the vinegar. I'm using the lid, and we will massage this on top of the chicken and we will let it rest at least for 5 minutes. Then we will give it a quick rinse from fresh water. So this chicken leg, it's broken. The flavors will not be compromised for sure.
Delicious.
You see the salt and vinegar does change the color of the meat too. So it's kind of, we are brining up the chicken. After 10 minutes, rinse it with fresh cold water. Here you go, the drumstick in our marinade bowl. For now, we will just use the dry seasoning first. So for the dry seasoning, of course, we start with the salt. 2 pounds of the drumsticks, 1 tablespoon of the salt, smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon, black pepper, 1 tablespoon, coriander, we are taking 1 tablespoon. This is cumin, 1 tablespoon, red chili powder, I'm doing half tablespoon. Okay, let's add some fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon, ready-made tandoori seasoning. I'll put these ingredients in the YouTube store as well, so you can easily just click and get it. So here you go, 1.5 tablespoon of the ready-made tandoori seasoning. Okay, food color, yes, we will do it. Half tablespoon. There you go. All dry ingredients are on top of our drumsticks. Let's prepare a smoothie, a liquid marinade for the drumsticks now. 6 to 7 fresh cloves of garlic goes in here. Fresh ginger. Use 100 grams of fresh ginger. Handful of fresh ginger cubes, you can say. They go in here. Green chilies. Yes, this will give the fresh flavor to it. So at least 10 of the small one, green chilies. Vinegar. So here you go. 1, 2, and 3. At least you can say 4 tablespoons of the vinegar. Oil. For the air fryer, you using oil? Yes, we have to use oil, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Plain yogurt for the liquid marinade. 1, 2, and 3. At this point, we are almost done with the marinade. So let's blend this. Here is the smoothie. It goes all on top. Let's do the magic and rub all the ingredients. Get into the deep cuts. Remember we made the deep cuts? Get in there. Mix it at least for 5 to 7 minutes. Fresh, aromatic, delicious tandoori drumsticks marinade. So these are the drumsticks. Look at this. They're looking good. Look at this. Delicious drumstick marinade is completely done. leave it in the marinade bowl, put it in the fridge at least for a couple hours, and after a couple hours I'll see you then with the very easy cook device which is called air fryer. So just wait 2 more hours for this marinade to kick in into our delicious drumsticks. After roughly 2 hours, tandoori drumsticks are fully marinated. Let's move towards the air fryer. So this is all-in-one Ninja Fury grill. Let's turn it on. So power, let's put it on air crisp. We will put it at 360, 15 minutes. Air fryer is ready. Let's open and add our delicious drumsticks. Look at this. Let's add it right here. We have 8 of the drumsticks. For the initial 10 minutes, let's cook it like this. When we have 5 minutes left, we will do a flip. And just like that, 10 minutes are gone at 360 degrees. So here you go. So let's do a flip. Tandoori drumsticks, they are cooking in the steam. That's what it is, my friend. Let's cook for another 5 minutes. So 15 minutes are gone at 360 degrees. Let's take a look on our drumsticks. Let me pull it out. Look at this beauty. Just take a look. No, it's not done yet. Let's have a beautiful char on it. Let's put them back. Let's give it an extra tandoori char. Turn it on again. The temperature 400. We need just 5 more minutes. Altogether 20 minutes will do the job for you. Let it cook the chicken for 5 more minutes. Let's make the cilantro sauce. Blended juicer, fresh cilantro, handful of cilantro in here. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 5-6 of the smallest green chilies you can ever find, 2 tablespoons of the vinegar, half tablespoon of the regular salt, half cup of the water, and let's blend this for our cilantro sauce. This is the cilantro sauce right here. 4 spoons of yogurt, cilantro, garlic and chili in here. Mix it. This is all the cilantro sauce you will get with this. Tandoori style air fried chicken drumsticks are completely ready. You should give it a try. Let's do a taste test. Tandoori drumsticks. Look at this guy. Oh my. So fresh and vibrant. Oh my god. The best chicken drumsticks I have ever tasted in my life. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. It's juicy, it's flavorful. This is the best appetizer. And here you go. I'll see you on the next one. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. This is the bite for you.